Hello out there, adventure seekers. Hopefully you are already one of our Xtreme Bright raving fan customers who have had a chance to experience one of our many high quality and very popular LED products. Well, today I have some exciting news to share with you. I want to tell you about our new patent pending, one-of-a-kind Xtreme Bright Illumilock blade, bike lock, and light. That's right, it's both in one. Now, designing and developing this amazing product was a no-brainer. Actually, it was the inspiration that came from so many of our amazing customers. That's you and their brilliant feedback. Now, what many of our customers reported was what their biggest concern or need was feeling safe and secure when riding at night, but also protecting their very expensive investment from being stolen. And customers also feel that the look and feel of a product like this is also very important, because who wants an amazing bike light and bike lock that is unattractive compared to their bicycle? Now, combining the two products in one was also a combination that no one can argue against and saves our customers time and money. So the Xtreme Bright Illumilock blade, bike lock, and light was born. The Illumilock blade is both a powerful combination of a super powerful 300 lumen front and rear backlight, allowing you to see and be seen from far distances. It is also a super secure bike U-lock, using a pick and drill resistant patented locking cylinder, making it smoother, more secure, and also more convenient. It's therefore two products in one, saving you valuable space on your bike and more than certainly fulfilling your needs. The U-lock secures your valuable investment from being stolen, and when you are not using it as a lock, just simply attach it to the easy-to-install mounting brackets for both the front and rear light. It's that easy. Of course, our main focus was on creating the best lock and light possible, which we did, but we also wanted this product to look and feel sleek, so that you and your bike were not only the safest and most secure, but the most high-tech, fashionable bike on the street, which you will agree with once you receive this must-have item. In fact, you could already agree with it right now just from looking at it. There is no reason to wait. Get a great value, a great light and lock, so no worries. Grab it now while supplies last, and we sincerely thank you for your support.
Hi, my name is Nick. I'm General Manager of Kryptonite. I'm going to talk to you today about the New York Fahgettaboutit lock. This lock scores 10 out of 10 on our security rating. This is basically the strongest lock money can buy. This lock's great for a quick stop or an overnight stop in an urban area, frankly, anywhere. The New York Fahgettaboutit comes with a double deadbolt, which means it has a lock on both sides of the shackle. It also comes with 3 stainless steel keys, one of them with an LED light. Don't forget to register those online, so if you lose them, we can replace them. It has a dust cover on the crossbar to prevent dirt and grime getting into the keyway. And as you'd expect, it comes with the Kryptonite lifetime warranty. The Fahgettaboutit comes with 18mm triple heat treated steel, an oversized hardened steel crossbar, and interior locking dimensions of 3¼ by 6 inches, which means thieves will have a hard time getting any kind of tool inside that U-lock. So let's remind ourselves, the Kryptonite Fahgettaboutit U-lock is the strongest U-lock we make. It scores 10 out of 10 on our security rating system. It is the urban lock you can use in just about any situation.
Hi, today I want to share with you something I bet you have never ever seen before, and will not find it anywhere else but right here. It's the Xtreme Bright Illumilock. When buying a cable combination lock, most consumers say they do need a lock that is very strong, durable, and will give them the security that they need. Now, the Illumilock is all of that and then some. Listen to this. This lock is pick and drill resistant and rated to 650-pound pull test, giving you the peace of mind you need knowing that your bike or possessions are protected. But what makes this lock a one-of-a-kind and sets itself way above any of the other locks is this. It's the built-in LED light that's located along the side of the combination keys. Just one push of the button and your combination keys are illuminated instantly. Never have to struggle or waste time trying to see the combination keys in the dark. The lock is made of the highest quality military-grade braided stainless steel cable. When extended, it's more than 3.5 feet long. Very easy to use, very easy to set or change the combination anytime. It will last over 1,000 hours under normal use, and never worry about the expense of replacing batteries or bulbs, because when it stops, if ever, you know what? Xtreme Bright will replace it for free. How about that for service? This lock is truly one of a kind. Be the first on your block to own this amazing lock. Xtreme Bright is so confident you will love this lock. They are offering their usual no questions asked, money back guarantee and lifetime warranty, therefore zero risk. So add it to your shopping cart right now. I promise you won't be sorry.
Hi, my name is Jacqueline, and today I'm going to be talking about the new Kryptonite Keeper Fold lock. The Kryptonite Keeper Fold comes in two different sizes, the 695 and the 810. The Keeper 695 is 95 centimeters long. It has a 6mm hardened steel chain link. It's rated 4 out of 10 on our security scale, making it a moderate level security lock. The Keeper 810 is 100 centimeters long. It has an 8mm hardened steel chain link. It is rated 5 out of 10 on our security scale, also making it a moderate level security lock. The Kryptonite Keeper Fold locks are great for quick stops in metropolitan areas and suburbs, or locking up for a couple of hours or all day in rural areas. These locks feature a flexible hardened steel link construction which allows for 360-degree rotation. It folds up to be very compact, making it really easy to transport on a bike using the included carrier. It also has a high-quality, soft neoprene cover that protects your bike from any scratches. As you would expect from Kryptonite, these locks also come with our lifetime warranty and key-safe program. The Keeper 810 Fold is also eligible for our anti-theft protection offer. Now I'm going to talk to you about how to install the Keeper Fold transport carrier onto your bicycle frame. There are a couple ways to mount this carrier. You can mount the carrier using only the pre-installed nylon straps with rubber backing anywhere on the inside of the bike frame. Or you can use the provided screws to mount on the braze-ons or water bottle mount. We recommend using the braze-ons, if available, in conjunction with the nylon straps for added stability. When mounting only using the nylon straps, find a location on the bike that won't interfere with anything else you have mounted or your pedal stroke. Make sure you're checking location with the lock in the carrier. The lock head should always be pointing up or level. Remove the lock and take the straps around the frame through the clip and pull tight. Make sure the carrier is aligned inside the frame and on straight. Feel free to trim the excess strap material. When mounting to the braze-ons, first remove any hardware. Check to ensure that the provided screws will work. If there are any issues, feel free to use the existing braze-ons that came with your bike. With the straps undone, mount the carrier to the braze-ons using the holes in the carrier. You'll need to tighten with a 4mm hex wrench if using the provided screws until snug. Once installed on the braze-ons, we recommend using the straps as instructed earlier for maximum stability. Also, if you ever decide to move your carrier, you'll have the straps right where you need them. The Kryptonite Keeper Fold, a flexible lock with 360-degree link rotation for stress-free lockups. It folds to be really compact in the included carrier for easy transportation. A moderate security lock, great for locking up for a quick stop in metropolitan areas or suburbs, or for longer periods of time in rural areas.